is it?
Hey.
She actually missed you from yesterday.
Hey.
Crazy.
2 days ago.
2 days ago, yeah.
Hey!
Sausage!
Thanks! Hey, sausage.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Today, I am going to be eating 100 chicken nuggets.
You?
Yes.
No.
No.
We are going to be eating 100 chicken nuggets, but not just chicken nuggets, spicy
Chicken nuggets.
These chili sauce are these bad boys. These bad boys. Let's put them on the plate. Oh my god. I just want to eat them now.
I don't care what anyone says. Some people say these nuggets aren't spicy, but try eating all of them at a time. It actually starts burning your throat a little
Okay,
bit.
basically I'm just gonna put like.
What if it's a dip that's spicy as well?
Is it?
Oh, also guys, we're not gonna know who wins until I start editing it.
Unless you guys want to count.
Unless you guys count, but basically when I edit, I'm gonna put the scores on.
Okay, let's go. I'm trying to eat.
Don't rush me. I'm gonna take my time. Why have we gone for the same one? That is so good.
Basically. I just want to eat.
The dip is spicy. No, baby.
No. Open your drink.
Try not to open it. Slow down.
Oh, I stuck my finger. Yeah. Bailey.
It's okay, baby.
It's a period, dude.
No. You know, I asked my mum how many she thinks I can eat. She said about 30. We have to see. My boyfriend's a fatty. I'm challenging it against a freaking personal trainer, bodybuilder, all this and that. I mean, who am I kidding? I'm gonna lose this. Can you slow down?
And I ate. I ate as well.
Because I need to count it when I'm editing. So
You
slow
will.
down. We have a new light. The lighting set's amazing. I think maybe we can just slow down and have a little chat.
You don't even want to have a chat. You just say you have food.
I want to chat. Let's have a chat.
What's the chat?
Try doing this in 10 minutes. That's another challenge.
No, what's the chat?
That was the chat. Guys, I'm turning 20 in 2 weeks. Is it 2 weeks?
Oh, yacht.
No, I'm not looking forward to it.
If you're birthday depressed.
I'm turning 20.
Grow up, woman.
That's like my childhood all gone. Like
No.
I'm no longer in the teens. You know what it means being in your 20s? Marriage, having kids, moving out, all the things that are stressing me out.
Why are you stressed out? You're only turning 20. You're not moving there anytime soon. The first person most likely to move 100% is me, not you. And it's, no one's forcing you to have marriage and kids.
Yeah, but the thing is, I don't want to get married old and have kids old. I want to be young.
Oh, well.
Yes. What is wrong with my stomach? Why can't you hack the food? I feel like after this challenge, I don't want to see nuggets ever again. Bailey. Fun fact.
No.
When I go to McDonald's and I ordered this, the 20 chicken nugget meal, I can never, ever, ever finish the 20 nuggets. Like, 20 nuggets is so much for me. So imagine this. Imagine if I only had 20 right now. And then right now I'm getting full.
But I need to save it for a bit.
Hello, my baby girl.
Hi. Are you talking to me?
No. But people that have phobia with burps, I'm sorry. No, Bailey. Well, she needs to pee. There's a potty padders over there. Because we don't live together, we're gonna split these nuggets up, whatever we cannot eat anymore. And he's gonna take it home, and then my ones are gonna stay here. I'm gonna have it later. Oh, you see that mark over there? Bailey did that.
What the hell? Everybody's like kung fu fighting. Diddy.
Are you full yet?
No.
Guys, I'm getting a warning for my belly. I always get a warning. When my belly doesn't feel good, it's saying stop right there. Or else you're gonna be sick. I'm not gonna listen to you, Betty.
Light work, baby!
Why are you shouting?
Can't lie, I'm done. I just don't want to get diabetes.
Are you actually done?
Yeah. No. Who's done?
If you're done, I'm catching up. I don't even know how many I ate, but I won. Enough. You're done. Don't force yourself. We are splitting the nuggets, yeah? 16. 17. That doesn't count as a challenge.
It does! Yes, it does!
We ended the challenge.
No, we never! Because it won't count, baby!
That doesn't count.
No.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does!
No, it doesn't.
It does!
Okay, I'll eat one. Counts.
Oh, you can't finish that. Look, man! Guys! That does not count! That does not count! What the fuck is this? Get your ass up.
It does count.
No, it doesn't! Half.
That counts.
That's a full one.
Yeah.
Are you dumb? Are you dumb? What the flip is this? That counts as half.
That's more than half right there.
More.
I was gonna eat that.
Oh, now you're not. So you get a half.
No, I get full now because you squeezed it. I was gonna eat it.
No, you wasn't.
I was. I get a point for that.
No, you don't.
He cheated.
What the?
You cheated.
Wow.
You squeezed my nugget.
You had to eat the nugget and that's it. You don't. You have it in your hand.
I was gonna I took a break.
No, you don't put it down. You got. What the fuck you mean? Who takes a break when they eat a nugget?
Me.
You're flipping
No.
weird.
I get that.
No, you don't.
Babe, you squeezed my nugget.
Yeah.
You squeezed my nugget.
Squeeze my nugget.
That counts.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
I was gonna say let the viewers decide, but by the time they decide, I'll probably give myself a point for that.
No.
Who's
You,
it?
no.
Who's
No.
editing?
No.
Me. I'm editing.
Alright guys, we're going to end the video here, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn that notification button on if you're new. Get the latest updates on when we upload.
Comment down below whose team you're on, because don't be on the cheater side.
Okay.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.